Good morning, friends. Right now, I would be introducing you to a video exclusively on line charts, and I welcome you all. In Python, during my training sessions, I have seen that the visualizations and graphical representations or the charts or the figures that we are going to build or use the codings or the programs to understand these kind of stories also, and they really help us out to know more about the kind of research as well as the analysis that one does using these kind of representations. So here we go. Now in the line representations, first and foremost, I have already copied the coding, and that is basically on using matplotlib. That is the basic one for plotting the line charts for myself. And after that, you will be seeing that yes, I would be again going ahead with just the representation of certain numbers on the chart. So here I have taken up plot. That means that package is PLT, in which I'm going to use the word plot, meaning that I'm going to plot these numbers that are available. And you can see that first it is the simple brackets, and then I have opened the square brackets, and in the first square brackets the numbers are 1 2 3, and in the second one I have taken up as 5 7 4 purposely, and there is a comma between these two numbers. So on the next line I have taken up the coding as PLT, which is the package for me, the word, and showcase to me as to what kind of line chart would I get. So here we go. After I go ahead and do control enter or run the coding, so you can see the kind of plot line chart is available for me. So here you can see that this is another way to represent. I said that I'm using two different data sets out here, that is 1 2 3 and 5 7 4 for representing the graph. However, if you look very clearly, in my last video I did it only with 5 7 4, and now I have started doing it with 1 2 3 and then 5 7 4. What does this mean? This means that if I have to plot the numbers on x-axis, they would be coming in first, the left hand side, and 574 would be on the right hand side of my plot coding part of it. Now here this is another way to plot my graph. In the first graph, only when I have taken the points on y-axis I was able to draw. Now here both x-axis and y-axis I have taken, and this is how the graph or the line chart, I'm sorry, it would not be graph, it would be called as the line chart for myself. And here you can observe that yes, on y-axis again it is just one digit after the decimal point, whereas on the x-axis it is two decimal points that I have got. So here how would you render 1, and it coincides with 5, and 2 is coinciding with the number 7, whereas for 4 I have got 3. So here is the simple line chart that I have used using these kind of numbers to plot and understand it. Now similarly, we can use later on in the other graphs, or maybe in the intermediary or the advanced part of the visualizations, you will see that not only these things, we can even use certain other kind of things also, in the sense that the coding wherein I can develop more rigorous kind of representations. Now here the second part of the coding, wherein I'm introducing one more number and checking out as to how the line chart would look like. If I increase the numbers, what is going to happen? Because in a Colab or even in Jupyter notebooks, when I'm using, the space that has been given to me is limited. So I am increasing the numbers to see how the line chart would be looking like 1 2 3 2 10 3, and I will be showcasing for the negative numbers also in the later part of it. So here you can see that yes, I can increase, and even still in that particular space itself I'm able to plot the line chart. So let me proceed further with yet another I would say the video wherein I can show one more variety of line chart that is available to us. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.